In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the Android manifest file for you. So, our manifest file can be found under manifests, our folder manifests here, and we click on Android manifest.xml. So, what exactly is our Android manifest file? Well, our manifest file describes the fundamental characteristics of our application and defines each one of our application components to Android. So essentially, this file describes to Android what our application actually looks like. So first off, in our manifest file, we have to define every one of our activities in this manifest file. So you'll notice that we have activity here. If you look at this particular portion, it says activity, and then it says the name of that particular activity, the label we're going to use for it, and then whatever theme that is, right? So you'll notice that it says name main activity, and that's this particular activity here that it's pointing to. The label that we should use for that activity, that is, what name should we have on the top of our little title bar for that activity, so on and so forth. So it's just like what I said, it's just sort of describing what it looks like to Android, what this activity looks like. So essentially, getting back to the manifest file, this is a place where we're describing our Android application to Android. So every time we add an activity, we want to add it in here. A lot of the times, Android Studio will automate that for us, so you don't really have to worry about that, but it's worth noting that it does get added in this manifest file. It also maintains things like our application permissions, and it used to maintain things like our version of our application and which minimum SDK version we are targeting, but now that's maintained in what's called our Gradle file, which we'll go over later on. Another thing that this manifest file declares is our package name. So you'll notice right here, it's saying, hey, this application's package name is com.thomasbrown.helloandroid, which we defined in that first video when we were creating our new Android application. So in short, what you need to know about the manifest file, just to recap, is that the manifest file essentially describes our Android application to Android. Okay, so like I said, when you need to add application permissions, or if you're having a problem adding new activities, the best place to check, I would say, is probably in this manifest file. Maybe you didn't add it, you're not describing your application correctly to Android. So once again, the manifest file describes our application to Android. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video.